In this video, we'll show you how to format a USB drive or a hard drive to FAT32 on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So first, connect your USB drive or a hard drive to your PC and then open File Explorer. Now here you will need to go to this PC. Now here simply right click on the drive that you want to format and then select Format. So this will open this particular dialog box. Now here you can select the file system, so set it to FAT32 and then select Start to continue. Note that you won't see this FAT32 option for every drive. So in most cases, if the drive is larger than 32 gigabytes, you won't see the FAT32 option. So for that, you'll need to head to your web browser and then search for Rufus. Now select this first link. Now scroll down and then click on this standard installation. So click on the first link and the Rufus tool will be downloaded. Now click on it to open it. You don't need to install it, it runs automatically. Once you are in this menu, you will need to use the drop down menu to select your drive. If it doesn't appear on this list, you can press Alt plus F. Once you see your drive on the list, simply select it. Now here set the boot selection to non-bootable. Now here you can change the volume label if you want and then set the file system to FAT32 and then select Start. So this is how you can format any USB drive to FAT32 system. So for anything less than 32 gigabytes, you can use the File Explorer's default option. For drives larger than 32 gigabytes, you will need to use this Rufus tool. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.